Hello and welcome, I'm Sarah Payne and this is a quick demonstration video to accompany my blog on setting up Apache under Windows 10. Apache doesn't actually provide any binary downloads that you can just execute yourself. You can get the source code from the Apache Foundation, but they don't provide any actual downloads you can install. For that they provide links to other third-party places that do provide those downloads. However, only one of them is actually compatible with PHP 7.4, which is going to be installed on a later video and is already done in one of the later blogs. So we're going to start by visiting the Apache Lounge. Now, you do need to check to see whether you're downloading the 64-bit or the 32. That will depend on your operating system. I'm going to download the 64-bit. Didn't want the advert. And I'm also going to grab the redistributable 64-bit version. Okay, so now that I have both of these downloaded, we can start with the setup. It is necessary to install this if it's not already installed. If you do already have this installed, it will just give you the option to uninstall or repair, or you can follow through the step-by-step click button instructions just to install it. The next stage is to extract the Apache folder. So we right click and extract. Once the folder's extracted, we need this folder that comes inside of it. Now, we're not going to change the name of that at all. We're going to leave it exactly as it is to start with. It can be changed, but this is the default installation method. So drag that over your main C drive and just let go. Once this is in place, we have a little bit of configuration to do. Before we configure it, we just need to test it to make sure that it's working where it is now. So come down to your search bar, type in CMD. Now I have updated this because I spotted a mistake, but I haven't refreshed the window. Instead of Apache 24, it's just got the bin on the end. And then we're typing in the HTTPD. And it doesn't look like it's doing an awful lot. You may get a pop-up asking you about the Apache server, which you will need to allow access for. And now all we do, we're going to go in the browser and we're going to navigate to this local host address here. And it works. So continuing onwards, the next thing we need to do is set up a Apache as a Windows service. So we press Control and C in this window, and it will take a moment while it stops. You'll be able to tell when it is finished because we will get this prompt again allowing us to type. We can just put the HTTPD-K install. I forgot to reopen it as an administrator. CMD, run that as an administrator. It does give this here, which can be a little misleading, but actually if there were any errors there it would have listed them all, so this is fine. So the next stage is actually to install Apache as a Windows service. The main thing's in place, it's there, it's running, we just need to start the service now, having installed it. So we come back to the bottom, go to Services. You'll find Apache near the top. You right click and start the service. So if I now close these windows, I should be able to come back up here and then just do the local host again, and that should still be working. So we just type localhost, and that's working. So you now have a fully installed web server that will load up with Windows as soon as you power your machine on. That's everything completed. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.